Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll be talking about how you can become a successful trader. If you're interested in trading and want to know the secrets to success, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Segment 1: Understanding the Basics. Trading is about buying and selling financial instruments to make a profit. Here are a few important things to know. 1. Market analysis. Study charts, trends, and news to make informed decisions. 2. Risk management. Protect your money by setting limits and diversifying your investments. 3. Trading strategies. Choose a strategy that suits your style, like day trading or long-term investing. Segment 2: Education and self-development. Education is key to success in trading. Here's what you need to do. 1. Learn the fundamentals. Understand technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and market indicators. 2. Practice demo trading. Use virtual platforms to gain experience without risking real. 3. Keep learning. Stay updated with news, books, and online communities to improve your knowledge. Segment 3: Building a trading plan. A trading plan is essential. Here's what to include. 1. Set goals. Define your financial objectives and create a realistic timeline. 2. Manage risk. Determine how much you're willing to lose and set rules for protecting your capital. 3. Entry and exit strategies. Develop clear criteria for entering and exiting trade. Segment 4: Psychology and emotional control. Your mindset plays a crucial role in trading. Follow these tips. 1. Be disciplined. Stick to your plan and avoid impulsive decisions. 2. Learn from losses. View losses as learning opportunities and improve your strategies. 3. Stay emotionally detached. Make rational decisions and don't let fear or greed influence you. Bonus point: risk management and diversification. Lastly, remember two important factors for success. 1. Risk management. Only invest what you can afford to lose and set stop-loss levels. 2. Diversification. Spread your investments across different markets and asset classes. By managing risk and diversifying, you build a strong trading strategy. That's it. Follow these steps to become a successful trader. Understand the basics, educate yourself, create a trading plan, control your emotions, and prioritize risk management and diversification. Remember, trading takes time and practice, so be patient and keep learning. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful content. Happy trading!